Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I would like to present an assignment question from power distribution. First, I would like to thank to our lecturer, Sir Muhammad Falihan bin Bahari and Encik Azma bin Ahmad. I would like to introduce my group members, which is Azlin Alisha binti Arif, Aisyatul Amira binti Azlan, Nur Afika binti Nur Muhammad Jilis. Okay, the question that given from our lecturer for our group is question 5. A register chargeman install an electrical wiring for motor starter without control circuit. And if he installed motor starter control circuit, he installed it switch far from the view of that particular motor. Does the action follow the current electrical regulation? Please elaborate that related regulation. Okay, I will explain about the question that has been given. Okay, number one, a motor starter is used to reduce the starting voltage and consequently the starting current. Number two, a starter without control circuit would simply mean that the starter won't switch back to the normal condition, providing full voltage, and so as the motor will be operating at reduced voltage level than that is supposed to run. Number three, for a motor reduced voltage will also mean lower torque power delivered to the load side. Okay, for the last one, the action described does not appear to be in compliance with the current electrical regulation. The electrical regulation can be installed and maintained in a safe and proper manner. This includes ensuring that control circuit for a motor starter are properly installed and accessibly for maintenance and inspection. Additionally, the electrical regulation requires that all electrical equipment be installed and maintained in a manner that is visible and accessible for inspection and maintenance. Therefore, installing a motor starter control circuit in a location that is not visible will not be in compliance with the regulation. Okay, now I would like to share about the importance of electricity regulation 1994. The electricity regulation 1994 is an important set of regulation that governs the safe and proper installation, operation and maintenance of electrical equipment in Malaysia. These regulations are designed to protect people and property from the hazard associated with electrical energy and ensure that electrical systems are installed and maintained in a manner that is safe and reliable. The regulation also cover a wide range of topics including the installation, operation and maintenance of electrical equipment, electrical wiring and electrical system. They also provide guidelines for the design, construction and installation of the electrical system. Okay, number three. The regulation also establish the qualification and training requirement for electrician and other individual who work with electrical equipment and specify the procedure and standard that must be followed during the inspection and testing of electrical system. By following the regulation, it will help to reduce the risk of electrical fire, electrocution, and other injuries and damage caused by electrical energy. It also ensures that the electrical energy electricity supply is reliable and safe for consumer use. In summary, the importance of the electricity regulation 1994 is to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical system and equipment in Malaysia and to protect people and property from hazard associated with electrical energy. Okay, that's all from my present. I will give an opportunity for my teammates to explain further the answers that the question has given in term of electricity regulation 1994. Okay, thank you.
Based on the Electricity Regulation 1994, under Material, Equipment and Method of Installation, Regulation 17, Generator, Motor, Transformer and etc. Sub-Regulation 2, a motor shall be controlled by one or more effective starting devices for starting or stopping it. Sub-Regulation 3, the switch referred in Sub-Regulation on 2 shall be placed in such a manner that it can be easily operated by the person in charge of the motor. Hi, my name is Hashatu Amir binti Azlan and I will continue to the next question that say if he install motor starter control circuit, he install a switch far from the view of that particular motor. Does the action follow the current electrical regulation? So, based on the electrical regulations 1994, the regulation which is suitable for the question is under material, equipment and method of installation, which is regulation number 16. So for regulation number 16, it's about switch, switch fuse, fuse switch, circuit breaker, contactor, fuse, and other than that. So regulation 16 number 1 is this, which is any switch, switch fuse, fuse switch, circuit breaker or isolating link should be A. Construct, placed or protected in such a manner as to prevent danger, and B. Construct and adjusted in such a manner as to and maintain efficient contact.
Okay, before that, I would like to repeat our question, which is a registered chargeman installed an electrical wiring for motor starter without control circuit. And if he installed the motor starter control circuit, he installed it switch far from the view of that particular motor. Does the action follow the current electrical regulation? Following that, I choose regulation 112, which adequate safety precaution to be taken during work. So this is under maintenance of installation. Number 3, where any person is engaged in work on a circuit controlled by a switch not under his immediate supervision, the switch shall be locked in off position until the work is finished. And in this case of aerial line work, a notice shall be hung on the switch and a earthing stick to provide earthing shall be fixed at a visible distance from the workman. And B, in the case of underground cabling work, a suitable notice shall be hung on the switch to warn any person that there are persons at work on the circuit and that the switch shall not be closed.
In conclusion, the Electricity Regulation 1994 in Malaysia plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical system and equipment in the country. It provides guidelines for the design, construction, installation, operation, maintenance of electrical system and equipment which help to minimize the risk of electrical fire, electrocution and other injuries caused by electrical energy. Okay, it also established qualification and training requirement for professional working with electrical equipment and set standard for inspection and testing to everyone. Okay, that's all for my team. Thank you.
Body on an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her,